This is a beginner guide for 203k users. If you're looking to buy or refinance a home that you own and include all the improvements, whether it be required or preferential repairs, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm John Adams, and I have helped thousands of people close renovation loans across the nation using this process. If you want to buy a home in almost any condition, the steps are very simple, and we can walk you through it. It does take a little more effort than a regular loan, and you do need a specialized loan officer or lending company that's going to walk you through this process. It's very helpful for someone to have experienced all the things that you can go through in this process, but we'll go by it step by step in the most easiest form. The 203k loan is an elaborate escrow for primary occupant owners. So that means if you want to buy a home and include those improvements, all you need is a couple simple things. Number one, once you've identified the property, we need an inspection to show anything that's wrong with the home. That way, your contractor can identify anything that's wrong with the home and include that in the contractor work write-up. Once we have a list of all the items that you want to either preferentially repair or the things that have to be done, whether it be for insurance or for hazard, health, or safety issues, we can include all those things in the bid. We then order an appraisal. The appraisal is going to come for a future value. So the appraiser is going to only look at the home as if all the repairs have been done, and we're going to use that future value for the calculation of loan to value for the home. So with regular FHA loans, you put a 3.5% down payment of the purchase price. With an FHA 203k, you're putting a down payment of 3.5% of the purchase price plus all the renovation and the soft costs. In other videos, we'll go over what other soft costs, including contingency reserves and other terminology that's used in 203k loans, but we're keeping it simple. So right now, you go and find a contract, or you select your house you already own for a refinance. We need a contractor's estimate, and then we get the appraisal. We then close the loan and the condition that it's in, and then we do all the repairs. The loan goes on like a normal loan, and then we complete all the repairs and the loan goes on forward as it normally would. Some of the advantages of a 203k is that it allows us to use 110% of the after improved value, and if the home is uninhabitable during the construction phase, you can actually abate those mortgage payments so you're not having to make multiple housing payments if you can't live there. If that's something that you're interested in or you have more questions, we'd be glad to help you with your renovation project. Be sure to land it at Planet. Call us so we can help you find a better way home.